So I went with the one that comes with the carrying case, and it comes with 2 mics, so I can charge it anytime. It's just like charging your earbuds or whatever. It comes in a case like that. So I got the Action 4, then I got the Mic Mini. And the only thing extra that I did with the Mic Mini is I put a piece of microphone in between the actual mic and the fuzzy little pop filter or windscreen or whatever it's called. So I put a piece of microphone in between that. Just because when I had the mic, I was still picking up more wind noise than I wanted to. So I was just doing some research on how to combat that, and I seen somebody put a piece of fabric in there, and I was like, okay, a piece of fabric will work, but microphone, I feel like it would stop more of the actual wind noise.